By the way, the date is April 1st, 2026. For the first time in decades, the old Income Tax Act is dead. In its place, the Income Tax Act 2025. While the headlines say no change in slabs, the fine print tells a different story. If you're earning 12 lakh rupees, you're paying zero tax. If you're a trader, you just got hit with a 0.15% STT blow. Today, we aren't just looking at numbers, we're looking at the new rules of the game. How much will you actually save? And where is the government hiding the bill? Let's decode the 2026 tax system. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe for more videos on daily finance. Let's look at the default setting, the new tax regime. Up to 4 lakh rupees, 0%. 4 lakh rupees to 8 lakh rupees, 5%. 8 lakh rupees to 12 lakh rupees, 10%. Here is the VØID insight. Thanks to the Section 87A rebate being hiked to 60,000 rupees, anyone with a taxable income of 12 lakh rupees pays exactly zero in taxes. For salaried employees, add the 75,000 rupees standard deduction and your tax-free zone actually stretches to 12.75 lakh rupees. The catch: this only works in the new regime. The old regime is now a legacy system. If you don't actively opt in, the government moves you to the new regime automatically. The system wants you out of deductions and into flat rates. Wealth isn't just about what you save, it's about the friction in the system. Budget 2026 just increased that friction for traders. STT on futures jumped from 0.02% to 0.05%. STT on options hiked to 0.15%. For the F&O crowd, your cost of business just went up by 50 to 150%. The government is essentially taxing risk. If you are an active trader, your strategy needs to account for this higher burn rate. Navigating these tax changes is complex, but scaling your income to handle them shouldn't be. One way the 1% is beating the system is by building AI automated income streams. I use in-video AI to turn complex data, like these tax slabs, into viral content in minutes. You don't need an editing team. You give it a prompt like, create a 60-second video on the 2026 tax slabs for Indian millennials. And it generates the script, the B-roll, and the voiceover automatically. If you want to out-earn the taxman, you need to automate your output. Use the link in the description to try in-video AI and start your journey with multimedia AI. The biggest change isn't a slab, it's the law itself. The new Income Tax Act 2025 is designed for trust-based compliance. Revision window. You now have until March 31st to revise your returns. Used to be December 31st. The penalty trap. Genuine mistakes now carry a 50% penalty, but misreporting, hiding income, will trigger a 200% penalty. The system is becoming more transparent, which is code for we see everything. TCS relief. If you love to travel or study abroad, there's a win. TCS on overseas tour packages and education remittances has been slashed to a flat 2%. This is a major liquidity boost for global citizens. So, how much do you save? If you earn 15 lakh rupees, you're saving roughly 35,000 to 40,000 rupees compared to the older system. If you're a high net worth individual, the surcharge cap at 25% remains your biggest shield. The final strategy. 2026 is about simplification. The government is removing the loopholes of the old regime and replacing them with lower, flat rates. Your move? Stop looking for deductions. Start looking for scalable assets. The system is rewarding those who earn more. not those who hide more. I've put a tax savings calculator link in the description along with the in-video AI link. Audit your life. Stay ahead of the void.